Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use zip files on your laptop. Let's start by understanding what a zip file is and why it's so useful for managing your digital documents and media. Zip files are essentially containers that hold one or more files or folders, often reducing their overall size by up to 80%. To open one, simply double-click it. For full access, right-click the folder and choose Extract All to place the contents into a new, regular folder. Now, let's learn how to create your own zip files. This is incredibly useful for organizing multiple documents or sharing a collection of photos with friends or colleagues. First, select all the files and folders you want to include in your archive. Next, right-click your selection, hover over Send to, and then click Compressed, Zipped folder. A new zip file will instantly appear in the same location, ready for you to give it a descriptive name. For an extra layer of security, you can password protect your zip files. While built-in laptop features don't always offer this, free third-party software like 7-Zip or WinRAR makes it simple. When you're creating a new zip archive using these tools, you'll find an option to set a password. This encrypts your data, ensuring that only those with the correct password can access the contents, providing peace of mind for sensitive information. Using zip files offers several fantastic benefits. They save significant storage space on your laptop, often reducing file sizes by 20 to 80%. This also makes sharing large groups of files much faster, whether through email or cloud services. Always rename your zip files clearly, using descriptive names like Project Report Final for easy identification. Finally, remember to regularly delete unnecessary zip archives to keep your laptop tidy and free up valuable disk space.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.